Hi, welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. Today we are here in BF Homes, Parañaque City to show you this modern Asian home. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts. And please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. For the orientation facing east, on the right side, ito yung inyong entrance for your 3-vehicle carport with geometrically designed gate, bifold, and it has provision for an automated gate or mechanism. On my left side, you have this langka tree. Ayan, and adding some homey vibe in this space through your patch of greeneries in this area. For the flooring, para may pagka-Mediterranean yung ginamit nilang stone, no? So these are porcelain tiles, rough texture para non-skid sa mga dadaan dito. So upon entering from your gate, your side garden with your rockscape, ayan. Very homey in this space. And of course, ang ganda ng view coming from your dining and your kitchen through your sliding window. Ang ganda rin ng cross ventilation and of course the natural light. Your porch covered by canopy and your main door. And on this side, ito yung inyong 3-vehicle carport. So kasya dito yung inyong mga huge SUV or van. You can also notice yung high ceiling natin with wood grain design for our ceiling. Door para sa inyong mga utilities. The room para sa inyong staff. Ayan. With window for proper natural light and ventilation. Of course, their toilet and bath provision para sa mga storage tank or doon sa inyong pressurized tank and an access going inside doon sa inyong auxiliary kitchen. And of course, after the laundry doon sa area na yon, nandito naman yung ating drying area. You also have your cistern tank and the continuation nitong inyong side garden. You also have the view nung loob ng property. So para maliwanag dyan sa inyong magiging kitchen. And ito yung inyong side garden. Ayan. So balik tayo dun sa harapan. So going back here dito sa harapan ng property, your porch covered by canopy na rin from your second level with your PVC ceiling with wood grain design, and this is your main door. Pasok tayo and welcome to your home. So upon entering from your main entrance, you will be greeted by an open layout design dito sa buong ground level. You can also notice lots of natural light dito sa side na ito with your glass panels and sliding windows on this side. And of course, adding some natural light and cross ventilation dito sa ground level. For the material used, these are aluminum and tempered glass for our windows and sliding windows. And dito sa space na ito, this is your receiving or living space. From this area up to that area, yung pinanggalingan natin, you have your split type AC. And on this side, ito naman yung magiging powder room ninyo. You can also notice yung ating cove ceiling design and pin lights installed, adding some warm and cozy vibe dito sa inyong ground floor. I also love yung kanilang nilagay na flooring, high gloss finish for the porcelain tiles flooring, high gloss finish. Parang it also reflects yung ilaw, so adding some brightness in this space. And of course, it can easily adapt doon sa magiging preference nyo in terms of interior designing. Few steps, ito naman yung inyong dining area in front of your sliding door. Ayan. So if you want yung instant alfresco while covered from outside elements, you can just open this up. So ayan, pumapasok na yung hangin or yung cross ventilation. You also have the view ng inyong side garden through your sliding door. Okay, yeah, well, it's up to you, So this is your dining area up to 10-seater dining table kasha in this space? Well, depende sa inyo, no? And in this space, pwede kayong maglagay ng inyong buffet table, or if you like yung setup na parang living and dining kitchen, pwede kayong maglagay ng inyong media wall with provision for our electric outlets, internet, and CCTV. Fronting dito sa inyong dining is your split type AC. And dito sa dulo, your main kitchen area, L-shape and island counter, lots of food preparation space, base and hanging cabinets. These are modular, lots of storage space for your cutleries, your utensils, even as your pantry. Pwede, no? So lots of storage space, soft close drawers, soft close hinges, backsplash, and adding some natural texture to the space. And by the way, for our counter, these are quartz finish. Of course, man-made, no? So mas madali i-maintenance in the future. So kunyari man mabasag, magkaroon ng tulo ng mga sauces ninyo, mas madali i-polish. Your integrated appliances, your 3 induction cook hub with provision for your range hood, your multipurpose sink fronting dito sa inyong huge window, lots of natural light, and of course proper ventilation. Ito yung multipurpose sink ninyo. Additional integrated appliances, your microwave and oven, and together with your refrigerator. And of course, tall cabinets on the left side as your pantry. And kung ayaw nyo naman maamoy yung lulutuin nyo in the future, we have the auxiliary kitchen, your 3 gas burners, again, fronting dito sa inyong glass or window. And ito yung inyong gagamitin for your laundry, your front load washing machine and dryer. And imagine after the laundry, perfect spot, the drying area. So mas maganda yung workflow, no, coming from inside going out. Lots of counter space and of course base and hanging cabinets for your storage. And your barn style door para space saver na rin. So we're done here dito sa inyong ground floor. Akit tayo sa taas. For the stairs and riser, tangile wood, step lights installed, and tangile wood ulit dito sa inyong handrails. Natural light coming from your fixed window. Here's the second floor, 3 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath each, and for the flooring, laminated board with wood grain design. So this is your bedroom 1 or the master bedroom. So upon entering, you have this space. Itong inyong walk-in closet, your vanity area, and your master toilet and bath. So for this room fronting, ito sa facade ng property, the location of your bed frame, your AC drop ceiling design, and your provision para sa inyong media wall or television set, huge window, lots of natural light. So coming from your bedroom 1, this is your bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. Ito mas maaliwalas to. Your bedroom 2, lots of natural light coming from your huge window. Location of your bed frame, drop ceiling design with cove light. And in this space, pwede pa kayo maglagay ng inyong couch. Again, huge mirror, your split type AC, your walk-in closet area, and your toilet and bath. Pwede nyo gamitin to as the master bedroom. No? We have the provision para sa inyong mga CCTV wires or cables. So mamimili na lang kayo. But yung bedroom mo kasi may vanity area. So depende na lang sa inyo. Location of your bed frame, again, drop ceiling design with cove light, huge windows, split type AC. And your toilet and bath. Let's go up dun sa inyong 3rd floor. Same material installed dito sa inyong stairs. Ganun din with the riser and handrails. Here's the 3rd floor, bedroom 4 and 5. But currently, nakalock itong bedroom 5. At hindi namin alam kung bakit. Siguro baka may gamit sila dyan. So ito na lang yung tingnan natin. Your bedroom 4. Your ensuite toilet and bath. Ang ganda ng kulay ng mga cladding nila, no? Drop ceiling design. The location of your bed frame. Cove light. Again, deep cabinets. I really like those design. Walang awkward space on either side and very organized yung look. Huge window facing dito sa left side of the property or the back part. And for the flooring, ganun pa rin, no? Laminated board with wood grain design. So total of 5 bedrooms in this house, hindi pa kasama yung inyong staff room. That concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new modern Asian home located here in BF Homes, Parañaque City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, my name is Dean and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you and see you next week.